overload. Stays on there, John. Jeez. That's what you call a facial. Switch it back up.
That's why you shut it off.
Yeah, I know. But you can shut it off for a long time like that?
Oh, it won't hurt that.
Won't hurt it. Get a whole handful, John. Like that. Like that. John. John, you get a whole handful? Do that. Fucking listen. I got it. I got you.